Chapter 1. What is Craigslist? It is an online free advertisement site. Advertisement in which advertisement ranges from housing to personals and gigs and services. So basically it is an online site which is used for free advertisement, and these advertisements are ranging from housing to personals and gigs and services. So there are a lot of advertisement which are involved in these sites, that is Craigslist site. It can be also termed as online replacement of classified section in newspaper. So in newspaper is an offline medium. So in newspaper we see a classified section, that is a classified section of advertises. So it is an online version or online replacement of classified section in newspaper. So it can also be said that. Now Craigslist is a free for its users. However, there is a cost for advertisers. So we can create a free account on Craigslist. So it is free for users. But uh, if we want to advertise on Craigslist, then there is a cost for advertisers also. So for users it is free, and for advertiser it costs something. Now graphics of this site are very easy, simple and clear cut, and has almost remained unchanged since 1995. So Craigslist was started in 1995. So graphic of these sites are very easy, simple and clear. So graphics are not very much changed, user interface is not very much changed. Graphics of this site are very easy, simple and clear cut, and has almost remained unchanged since 1995. Now one fascinating thing about this site is that it has flagging system for its user. So one fascinating thing about this site is that it has a flagging system for its users, means we can flag inappropriate advertises. So this is fascinating thing about this site. So it has flagging system for its users.